Residents of Bethel Town in Westmoreland are celebrating Dushane Allen's demise.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Several residents living within the community of Bethel Town in Westmoreland are expressing joy after hearing that the parish's most wanted man, Dushane Allen, otherwise called Nigel, was killed by members of the security forces in St. James on Sunday the 14th of July. My boss, a long time I want the boy for dead. Because everybody in here afraid of him, one resident said. Enough of we can walk on road here now, and not have to watch your head back. The boy Dushane kill enough people in a Bethel Town, and him and him gang man them drive fear in a way. Commanding officer for the Westmoreland Police, Superintendent Gary Mackenzie, echoed similar sentiments. Bethel Town will now be happy with the death of Dushane Allen, he said. He has been wanted by the Westmoreland Police for quite some time, and he was a person that we had wanted for murders and shootings, and we have been investigating him for other offenses, he said. This person has been in the Bethel Town area from which he hails, and he was very fearless. A lot of persons in the community were fearful of him, and I am sure that they are pleased based on what had happened. The residents say Bethel Town has been plagued with gang warfare for some time now, as men from Galloway and Mall Road battle each other. They say Allen was very deadly, but gave him credit for the death of another gang leader in the area. Reports are that about 4:30 p.m., members of the Jamaica Defense Force carried out an operation along the Kinggate Main Road in Anchovy, St. James. During the operation, the soldiers intercepted a Toyota Allian motor car with 2 men traveling on board. It is further alleged that the soldiers were greeted by gunfire, and when the fire was returned, Allen and another man were shot. Both men were taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where Allen was pronounced dead and the other man admitted in serious condition. A Ruger 9mm pistol containing 9 live rounds was recovered.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.